once you find handcuffs that fit.
Do you swear to tell the truth?
Depends. Truth or funny version?
This is serious.
So is your haircut, Judge Featherless.
Parrot, stop interrupting the ceremony.
Just adding some wig-worthy entertainment.
You're embarrassing the department.
Already done that when you danced last year.
What's the secret ingredient, Parrot?
Let's solve 4 cents.
You calling my soup bad?
I'm calling it a chemical threat.
Now, what's the first rule of interrogation?
Don't let the bird do the talking.
That's not in the manual.
It should be. You're losing to a parrot.